If you want to go ahead and remember something, or you want to actually collaborate with others and you want to leave a note, then you can actually utilize something called comments for that. So for that, let me just go ahead and select this text, and you can see that based on this text, I can leave a comment. So as I do that, let's say for example, I can say something like, please check the grammar right here, just like this, and then go ahead and send it, and a comment is added in. You can also check off the comment, as you can see, to remove it out, or let's say for example, press Ctrl Z to bring it back right here. So you can see that this is what I have. I can edit the comment as well. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around over here, right around on this space. Let's say for example, let's just go around over here, and then let's say for example, let me just go back right here. I'm just going to say, let's say for example, a sentence right here, just a placeholder. So let's just go ahead and then add in a comment right here. And what you can do is, let's say for example, add a picture in this area, just like this, and then hit the send button, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can actually go ahead and add out comments inside of Notion. If you want to collaborate with others, or just for you to remember something in your document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.